Hey guys, this is a fun question. This is like number 14 on your interim assessment. It says we can find the length of segment AB using the Pythagorean theorem. AB squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. Because remember, in a right triangle, we can say that the leg squared times the leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. Well, if you recall, a long time ago, we showed you how to use the Pythagorean theorem to derive the distance formula. So just remember that the Pythagorean theorem and the distance formula are related. If you look here, I'm going to call this point C just so we have a name for it. Down here in this little right angle here. All right, so what that does is that tells us, sorry, my pen's not working. That tells us the x distance, okay, so this is the change in x right here, change in x. This is the change in y over here. Well, look here. In the distance formula, here we have the change in x, here we have the change in y. So if I were to find the coordinates of points A and B, point A, the coordinates are 1, 1, and point B, the coordinates are, I go right 4, up 5. Okay, so what's going to happen here? I'm going to call this one x1, y1. I'm going to call this one x2, y2. Okay, and then I'm just going to slap it in this distance formula, which is distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, and that's the same information that we got by drawing in these little lines here, but this is just a different way to do it. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put in those values. All right, here x2 is 4, x1 is 1, y2 is 5, y1 is, let's see here, y1 is 1. Now, depending on how far you have to go in your problem, that's going to look like this. 4 minus 1 squared is 3 squared, plus 5 minus 1 squared is 4 squared. Hey, look at that. That looks just the same as when we use the Pythagorean theorem. All right, hope that helps.